Hello everyone, this is Yana. Well, I'm back with new routines to help you with your stress. When we get stressed, we usually experience the neck tension, shoulder tension, and your lower back tension. So today, I prepared a Qigong dance to help you to loosen up your shoulders and your neck and your lower back. Shall we try?
Okay, now, first movement. Opening chest, push your chest forward and try to bring your arms to the back and stretch out tight chest and relieve the tension. Second one is chicken dance. As you're tapping your arms on your ribcage, you can relieve the tightness that has been built up on your sides and also loosen up your shoulders. The third movement, you stretch your arms and poke in the sky. And this helps to move your ribcage and your shoulders and also your chest. The fourth movement is the advanced movement from the third one. So you can poke the sky and throw your arms to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, this is called plate balancing. The plate balancing is known to help to improve the flexibility of the joints and improve your joint health. Okay, are you ready now? We're going to begin with breathing. Breathing and out. Breathing and out. And breathing and push forward. Breathing and push to the side. And open up your chest. We're gonna start with open chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now chicken dance. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now reach the sky. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plate balancing. Yes. You're doing great. Both hands. Woohoo! Now reaching the sky and throwing your arms to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And dance! Move your whole body! Woo! Yes! Now breathe in and breathe out. Let's try again.
Hey now, take a step outside and seize the day now. Set aside your worries, it's okay now. The sun is here to stay. Blue skies, feel the wind beneath you as you fly by. Dancing on a cloud, it lifts you high, high, high. Your troubles blow away. And oh yeah, everything you want's right here. And oh
Breathe in and breathe out. Once again, deeply breathe in and breathe out.